No, horrible! No, my sister's dead!
This case takes place in Albuquerque, New Mexico. A call reports an infant not breathing. From an analyst's perspective, we'll trace the timeline, highlight decision points, medical priority, scene control, information gathering, and note systemic constraints, interagency coordination, early warning response, to reconstruct the operational logic rather than dramatize the tragedy.
How long has she been down for?
I don't know, I just was making nothing for my mom's house.
Okay.
Do I go in there with her?
No, hold on. They're doing life-saving efforts, okay? They're going to do everything they can right now. How long was the baby down, you know?
She come to the door and said the baby's dead. She just drugs.
Okay, they're trying to do their best. They're going to be doing life-saving efforts right now with the baby, okay?
You're being detained. What is this? What is this? What is this? Force will be used
What
against
did I do? Mom, no!
Stop.
After dispatch, EMS and officers arrive together. The immediate medical priority is airway, breathing, circulation. But the caregiver's distress and refusal to relinquish the infant create near-term friction. The frontline trade-off here. In life-threatening scenarios, emergency care for a minor typically proceeds under implied consent, while police simultaneously secure a safe corridor for EMS.
Were you here present when the baby was inside?
I was here when she brought her this morning about
Who else is in the home,
15
sir?
Her daughter, Lily, 12-year-old.
12-year-old? Okay. So here's the deal, sir. At this point, I can't have you go back in the house.
What?
I didn't do nothing, Mama!
Come on, ma'am.
Let me check on my baby!
Use this force to be used, okay?
Let me see my baby! Let me check on my baby!
They're working on
I have right to refuse medical health care for my child, too!
Sir, here's the deal. So right now, we're working on your grandchild. We're trying to figure out what's going on, so we need to talk to everybody. So right now, I don't know what's going on, so I've got to figure out what's going on, who's here, and so I can't have you go back in the house right now, okay?
Go on.
So I'm going to go talk to your, I'm going to get your grandchild
She's in the
out here.
bathroom.
Okay, we'll get her out here. Is there anybody else inside the
Nope.
home? Okay, brother. Okay. What's your name, sir?
I'm Ellen. I called it in.
Okay, thank you for calling it in. Sir, I'm not saying you're in trouble or anything. We just have procedures we have to follow, especially because it's a child, okay?
All right. I have COVID, so there's COVID in the house.
Okay, sir, let's just stay here for me, and then, what's your granddaughter's name?
Lily.
You said she was in the bathroom last you saw?
Okay.
Okay.
Lilith, is the Albuquerque Police Department, are you in here, ma'am?
Let me see my baby! Let me hold my baby! Let me wake her up!
Your shouting right now is interrupting with
Let me wake her! I have every right! I know my rights in America! You guys have no right to detain me! Sit right here and wait for my baby!
You're welcome to sit down. Pat her down. She's got a felony 29.
I don't have nothing!
Stand up.
I don't have nothing!
Stand up.
I don't have nothing! Let me see my baby! Let me see my baby! My baby's in there! He just hurt my daughter! I have right to refuse medical health care!
Lily.
Hey, Lilith.
Sister!
How are you?
No, horrible! No, my sister's dead!
We don't know that yet.
We don't know that.
They're working on it, okay?
She's probably dead!
Lilith, you're okay. We're working on it, okay?
We're right
Is there
here.
anybody else in the house, all right? Is there anybody else in here?
She said that was just my little sister!
You'll be alright.
No, I'm never gonna forgive that witch!
Do you go by Lily or Lilith?
Lilith!
Lilith, right now we're trying to save your sister right now, okay? We're doing the best we can. I'm hoping she can be okay, alright?
I have every right to refuse medical health care!
Your kid's not breathing. Don't you want to help her?
Yes, I do want to help her!
Then stop screaming and let them work.
Just help me, boss! Get them off of me like this!
Let us do our job.
Just
Stop
help me.
fighting us. Let us pat you down. Stand up. We're trying to help you. You stand up.
You guys need to help me. Let me hold my baby.
Right now they're doing life-saving efforts on your baby. We're doing everything we
Hold her
can.
real quick.
Doing everything we can, okay?
I want my baby. I want to hold my baby before I leave. I have every right to refuse medical health care for my children. I have every right to refuse health care.
Okay, right now, your baby is what I'm confused.
I know. Let me see my baby. I just need to hold my baby.
Stop screaming and let them work.
Okay.
What room does your sister and the mom stay in?
I don't know. I was staying at my grandma's house, which is here. And I don't know what happened when I was gone.
Okay.
I didn't protect my little sister. I didn't protect her from her. I didn't protect her. I didn't protect my sister.
Called CYFD last night and told them that she was doing drugs with the baby, and nobody came!
Okay.
Nobody did nothing!
I didn't protect my sister.
Lilith, you didn't do anything wrong, okay?
I should have protected her. My little sister. I didn't do anything to
Layla, do you want to come stand with your grandpa?
Do you want to stay with your grandpa, or do you want to stay here in the warmth?
You want to stay in here, or do you want do you want a blanket, Layla?
No.
Okay. Alan, I appreciate us going in. We just have to follow procedure right now. What'd you say about CYFD?
She called her last night, told them everything that was going on, and they didn't do anything.
Was it just CYFD you guys called? Or you called me?
I don't know who else. I was in bed. I was sick. I got COVID, man. But
Okay.
she called. I know she called.
Okay.
And told her where she was. Her daughter showed her a picture of her with a needle, and nobody did nothing. All night long she's been out doing drugs, and came back this morning about 15 minutes ago with the baby not breathing. Oh.
Okay.
Why were you guys not here last night? Why didn't you go do anything last night?
Alan?
Did you call CYFD last night?
No.
The police?
I couldn't get a hold. I called the police last
She called the police and told you guys that you didn't do nothing.
Alan,
That's all
Alan,
Colorado.
I'm coming in late right now. I wasn't here last
Not you. The damn police
I do
department didn't do nothing.
I do apologize. We'll definitely look into this.
Too late now.
And I just hold my baby.
We're not gonna let you hold your baby right now. Right now you're being detained for an investigation, okay?
For what?
First of all, you're showing that you have a warrant.
You guys don't have jurisdiction over me, though. I'm the
Yeah, yes,
living
we
dead. No, you don't.
You need to stand up too. You can go to the
You
car.
don't have jurisdiction over me. It's my baby. I'm not leaving my baby like that.
Just have a seat.
Yeah, she's dead, huh?
They're working on her right now.
I don't want to lose my baby.
You go inside, guys. There's a little more warm in there. We're working on it. Alan, if you want to go to the room if you're worried about getting them sick,
Everybody.
I appreciate that. Right now our main concern is just her, so
I'm listening right here.
that's okay. Alan, there's no weapons in the room or anything, right?
Yeah, I got weapons. I'm not
Okay.
gonna use them.
I don't think you would. I just have to ask.
Yes,
Okay.
they're locked up.
Okay, I appreciate it.
What are they doing to my baby? They cut off my baby's head. Yes, they did. They cut off my baby's head. They cut off my baby's head. They cut off her head. Why did you guys cut off my baby's head? What did you do? I have right to refuse health care. I want my baby put back in my arms right now. I have right to refuse health care in America. It's America still. I know my rights. Give me back my baby right now.
What's your name?
Christ. Give me back my daughter.
So where does she stay with the baby usually?
The trailer park up the street. I don't know what she did. I told her not to be doing drugs.
What happened when she showed up?
She just come knocking on the door. I need a lighter. And then she said, the baby's dead. Before we
She
told
asked, you said for a lighter?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
for some weed because she's a drug addict.
And she had some in her truck. If you pry open her door, you could smell it.
When was the last time you guys saw the baby?
Yesterday.
Christina's my mother. That woman's my mother. I don't want to be her with her. Mom kept on calling me names and calling me a.
Did you see any movement from Amelia?
No.
Did you guys
No,
see
like
any
she was laying
She her face, her eyes.
I couldn't even get to hold her on time. I can't even hold my little sister. She started crying because Mom scared her by yelling at me and calling me names.
Okay. Layla, you did nothing wrong, okay? You guys, we're doing our best we can.
Okay. Give me back my daughter. I have right to refuse. Why was her head off to the side like that?
If you try to stand up
I
again,
have
we're
right-
gonna put.
I have
Listen
right
me.
to refuse
Listen to me.
healthcare.
If you try to stand up like that again, we're gonna put you in the back of the unit. I'm okay with you sitting here for now, but if you do that again, you're going to the unit, okay? That's your final warning. That is your last and final warning.
What's the baby's name? What's the baby's name?
I need my baby in my hands, please.
She was in the truck, and then immediately after that, you guys called us to let us know? Okay.
Because she goes, the baby's dead.
And what did she do when you guys found out? Did she try any life-savers?
No, she just went to the truck blowing smoke in her face.
blowing smoke in Amelia's face?
Yeah.
Yeah, she does that all the damn time.
Okay.
She usually be mean to
And I
me.
go, you don't hear that guy telling you how to do that CPR.
Okay.
She wasn't listening.
When you say your mom does that to you all the time, what does she do?
Like she acts all mean towards me, and she acts all abusive and manipulative. She thinks that I sleep with all her imaginary boyfriends. Like she has imaginary boyfriends and stuff like that.
She's saying
does
she sees
drugs.
things coming through the house and someone's messing with her at night.
And she keeps me up
Yeah.
at night by screaming out
She
the
calls
middle
me at
child's
1
name.
o'clock in
Do you have another sibling?
Yes,
but
the
she's
middle
with her.
child.
Where's she at?
She's with her dad.
And as far as you know, your sister doesn't ever see your mom?
No,
I
because
can't even
they
see
got a
it.
restraining order on her and she's already violated it. That's why she has the bench warrants.
Is there any restraining orders here on her?
No. Are you really gonna arrest her and keep her away from me and my siblings?
That's what we're working on right now.
That's what we're working on, okay?
There's a lot going on right now, and I'm here and I'm not out there. I don't know what's going on out there, so I'm just focused on you guys right now, okay?
You know, my mom called you guys because she was panicking.
What's your name, ma'am? What's your name, ma'am? What's her name?
I'm a man, excuse me.
I said, ma'am. Ma'am, what's your name? What's your name?
I have right to refuse health care.
Okay, well, I'm not offering you health care right now. I'm asking you what your name is.
I need to go with my baby. I have rights in America. You know that, right? You guys have no jurisdiction over me as a living person, and I'm on the living dead. So you guys really don't have no jurisdiction over me. You know, you guys can't just rip a baby out of a mom's arms. You know?
Where was your mom last night?
I jumped out of the car while I was moving so I can get to Grandma's immediately because I was afraid of her. Because she kept on calling me names and she was beating, kind of.
Do you remember where? It's okay if you don't remember where you jumped out of the car.
In the middle of the road and...
Your grandma's here?
Yeah, I ran over there. Yeah.
Okay.
They can't check on her right now?
No, not right now.
What are you gonna do?
Right now we're doing everything we can to help your sister, okay?
I don't want my sibling to die. I don't want been through enough.
Christina, right?
I have right to refuse
Hey, Christina,
okay.
listen. We're not giving you medical service. You're under arrest for a felony warrant. We're going to put you in a police car, okay?
No, I'm not leaving my baby.
For all Albuquerque police officers,
I'm not leaving my
recorded
baby.
if you resist,
You are being
evade,
recorded,
or
ma'am?
disobey commands, force to be used against you. Do you understand me, Christina? You're under arrest.
We're going to put you in the back of a police car, okay?
You can stand up on your own now. That's your final warning.
I'm going to help you stand up, okay, Christina?
No, I have right to refuse. Let's on this.
You got it? I'm going to get her legs real quick. Ready?
Wait, do you want to put her in one set real quick so it doesn't slip these?
Hang on.
Don't do this.
Let go of the keys.
No.
Let go! Let go!
No.
Do you know what she uses?
She says that she does dope and stuff like that, and she usually sucks out her blood and puts it back in, and then she uses the water from her sink and then put it back in her bloodstream. I keep on telling her that's wrong, but she doesn't like to listen to me because she thinks I'm useless or something like that.
Does she ever do anything like that around Amelia?
Yes, all the damn time at the trailer.
She had the baby sitting in her lap, and I seen the syringe.
Okay.
And that was last night, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're hurting my hand. No.
Let go of the keys.
You're hurting me. Hey, you guys cutting my fingers off.
No one's cutting your fingers off. Stop kicking me.
What are you doing? Look at your fingers. How the
You're going to try to cross her legs?
fingers off?
You're under arrest. Stop fighting.
No, you're making it bleed.
Nobody's making you bleed.
Oh, you cut my fingers. You cut my fingers.
Nobody cut your fingers,
Yes,
Christina.
you did.
But she says that she has sons or something. She doesn't even have any boys. She only has 3 girls. Me, Mallory, and Amelia. No, probably 2 now. Because Amelia's probably gonna die and I'm the worst older sister in the world.
No, it's not your fault, Millie. You were here.
I didn't get the baby on time to bring her to you. I didn't save my little sister. I'm horrible.
It's not your fault, Millie.
Not your fault, Lily.
You couldn't stop her. She's gonna do what she's gonna do.
You guys had you listen for my daughters and stuff?
Alright, that should be good.
Stop! You guys made me bleed! You guys
I don't
stop!
want you to fight with us. I don't want you to kick us. I just want you to stand up, ma'am.
You guys
Stand
made
up.
me bleed! I need to go to the hospital!
Now roll over. Stand
No,
up.
I need health care!
Stand up.
I need health care! You're hurting me! You guys are men! I'm a female and I'm the mom! I'm a mom and you guys just hurt me! I'm a girl! No, I'm not getting in the car! My daughter! My daughter! My daughter!
Get in the car.
No! You guys are sacrificing my children!
Everybody okay?
Sir.
Paramedics now inform officers that while they attempted life-saving measures on baby Amelia, she was already deceased before they were even able to help her.
There's modeling around the eyes, especially when we first saw her, and then
It's very
somewhere,
dark.
yeah,
I think
around
I
the
know,
chest as well.
She had real deep cyanosis around the eyes and mouth too.
Like with bruising.
Yeah.
Okay.
At this time, the grandparents and Lilith are also informed of the baby's passing. When this officer reapproaches, the grandfather is clarifying everything that happened that led up to this.
And Lily got the camera on her and showed her that she had a heart bone in her hand. At that point, Diana finally believed what I'd been telling her for a week or two. She's on drugs. She's given her daughter mother's milk. The baby's going to be getting drugs. She finally believed it. She called you guys immediately. Later that night, Christina shows up, I guess, down right in front of her house, and Lily jumps out and gets in the house. And then Christina's out here for another 2 hours, probably shooting up in front of our neighbor's house. And that's the last we saw of her. This morning, Diana got up and made a nice breakfast for me and her granddaughter. And about 15 minutes later, here's a knock at the door, and everybody starts screaming. The baby's not breathing. The baby's not breathing. So I called 911. Next thing you know, you guys are here. A little late. Somebody should have done their diligence yesterday, and the baby would still be alive. Had that been done, boy, kind of late now for that poor 4-month-old baby killed by mother's milk. I mean, she called and told you guys. Well, not you guys, but somebody in the police department. She told them. So how come the baby's dead now?
Unfortunately, sir, I don't have an answer.
Oh, no, you don't know. It's a rhetorical question.
I know.
Sorry.
But I just
I know none of you guys standing in front of me here are responsible, but still.
And I understand that you're upset, and I can never understand exactly what you guys are going through right now, so I don't want to even push that I do. And I'm so sorry that you guys are going through this. I completely understand that you guys are angry.
Why didn't somebody go check on her last night and rest her? Shake her down, man. She told you guys. Not you, but she told the police.
And I don't have an answer for you, and I'm sorry.
You guys, I can't believe she called last night. Nobody went and took care of that situation in front of that house. Sitting there shooting up with a baby. That wasn't a serious one? I guess that wasn't priority. Guess not.
Again, sir, I don't have an answer.
I know you don't, again. I'm just ranting and raving.
That part I do get. I don't blame you for that. I just want to let you guys know at this specific time you guys cannot go back inside the residence. Because it has to be secure.
Yeah, I get it. You're funny. What? My hat's off to you. I tip my hat to you. And salute.
It's not their fault.
Yeah, but this is stupid. What about last night? What about their job last night? What was that? What was that? How come you're so important about doing all your f***ing job now? Nobody did nothing last night. Keep us out of the house, fine. Go ahead. We'll wait. What am I going to do? Let's see. Oh, gee. Oh, I don't know. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do while you guys are doing whatever you do.
Yeah, if you guys need to go hang out, make sure the place is secured.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Clinicians focus on resuscitation. Officers manage the perimeter, calm relatives, verify identities, and check risks. Relatives provide prior alerts and substance use clues, critical for child safety and criminal review. Signs suggest prolonged non-viability, shifting efforts toward medical futility. Officers, meanwhile, act on behavior and legal history to detain and preserve evidence, while protecting others. The incident unfolds across 3 tracks: medical determination, criminal preliminaries, and child protection review. The case proceeds to court. Sentencing follows with supervision, while surviving family require trauma care and long-term support. In this case, the defendant, Christina Bennett, initially faced multiple charges, including child abuse resulting in the death of a child under 12, reckless, intentional child abuse, without death or great bodily harm, violations of restraining orders, battery upon a peace officer, possession or use of drug paraphernalia, contributing to the delinquency of a minor, among others. During legal proceedings, the defendant ultimately entered a plea of child abuse resulting in death. The court, after reviewing evidence, the defendant's history, and the victim impact statement from the surviving child, imposed the following sentence: 10 years of imprisonment, followed by 5 years of supervised probation. The ruling emphasized the defendant's failure to protect her child, leading to irreversible loss. While acknowledging underlying issues such as domestic violence, substance abuse, and systemic response gaps, the court held the defendant primarily responsible for the infant's death. For the surviving child and grandparents, the sentencing represents not only an act of justice, but also highlights the urgent need for long-term psychological care and social support to aid in recovery.